आइए अब हम थ्योरम 2 देखते हैं, जो इस प्रकार है कि फॉर एनी रियल नंबर x एंड y, cos x equals cos y. This implies x is equal to 2n pi plus minus y, where n belongs to integers. अब हम इसका प्रूफ देखें तो दिया है कि cos x equals cos y. This implies cos x minus cos y equals 0. If we use C plus D formula here, we will get minus 2 into sine x plus y divided by 2 into sine x minus y divided by 2 equals 0. This implies sine x plus y divided by 2 equals 0, or sine x minus y divided by 2 equals 0. First one give x plus y divided by 2 equals n pi. Second one give x minus y upon 2 equals n pi, where n belongs to integer. First one give then x is equal to 2n pi minus y, and second one give x is equal to 2n pi plus y, where n belongs to integer. By these two we get x is equal to 2n pi plus minus y for n belongs to integer. आइए अब हम थ्योरम 1 पर बेस्ड एक एग्जाम्पल देखते हैं, जो इस प्रकार है कि सॉल्व cos x equals 1/2. अब हम इसका सॉल्यूशन देखें तो it is given that cos x equals 1/2. So it means cos x equals cos pi by 3. If we use theorem 3, we get x is equal to 2n pi plus minus pi by 3, where n belongs to integer.